Welcome to Tech Vibe, your go-to channel for the latest in tech innovation. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's newest addition to the iPad lineup, the 2025 iPad, 11th generation, powered by the A16 Bionic chip. Apple continues to refine and enhance its iPad series, making this model an excellent option for students, casual users, and professionals who need a reliable tablet without breaking the bank. The 11th generation iPad features a sleek and lightweight design, boasting a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with True Tone technology for an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're browsing, watching content, or taking notes, this device delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making every interaction feel seamless. The thin bezels give it a modern look while maintaining a durable aluminum frame available in silver, space gray, starlight, and blue. Another big change in this model is the USB-C port, replacing the older Lightning connector, allowing for faster data transfer and universal compatibility with modern accessories. The A16 chip ensures smoother multitasking, whether you're running multiple apps, editing photos, or playing games. The device also supports the first-generation Apple Pencil, making it perfect for note-taking and sketching. Apple has also improved the front-facing camera, repositioning it to the landscape edge, making it ideal for FaceTime calls and online meetings. The new placement feels more natural, especially when the device is in keyboard mode. Touch ID remains embedded in the top button, offering a secure and convenient way to unlock the iPad and authenticate apps. When it comes to connectivity and other features, the 2025 iPad, A16, 11th Gen, ensures you stay connected wherever you go. The tablet supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster internet speeds, making streaming and online browsing smoother than ever. If you need connectivity on the go, Apple offers a cellular version with 5G support, ensuring you have high-speed internet access even outside of Wi-Fi zones. The USB-C port is another major upgrade, allowing for faster charging and better compatibility with external devices like hard drives, cameras, and monitors. For those who rely on external keyboards, the iPad is compatible with the Magic Keyboard Folio, which comes with a kickstand and a detachable keyboard for a laptop-like experience. Apple has also worked on better speaker quality, delivering clearer and more immersive sound for video calls, gaming, and media consumption. Another key feature is iPadOS 18, which brings improvements in multitasking, widgets, and overall UI customization. However, one thing to note is that the base model doesn't support Apple's new AI-powered Apple Intelligence features, which are reserved for M-series chip models like the iPad Air and iPad Pro. Despite this, the iPad, 11th Gen, still delivers a fast and smooth experience, perfect for students, professionals, and families looking for a dependable tablet. The battery life remains solid at up to 10 hours of web browsing, video streaming, or working on the go, making it a reliable choice for everyday tasks. When we talk about pricing, the 2025 iPad, A16, continues Apple's trend of offering a high-quality tablet at a competitive price. The base model starts at $449, which includes 128 GB of storage, a big jump from the previous generation's 64 GB starting option. This increase in base storage means users can store more apps, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of space too soon. If you need more storage, Apple offers additional configurations, with a 256 GB model priced at $549 and a 512 GB variant at $699. The Wi-Fi Plus cellular version starts at $599, making it a good choice for those who need internet access on the go. Accessories, like the first-generation Apple Pencil, remain optional add-ons, priced at around $99. The Magic Keyboard Folio, which offers a trackpad and a comfortable typing experience, is available separately for $249. Overall, Apple has positioned the 11th generation iPad as a cost-effective device that offers high performance without venturing into the price range of the iPad Air or Pro. While it lacks some advanced features like promotion and M-series chips, it still holds up as a solid mid-range tablet perfect for students, casual users, and even some professionals. Now, let's talk performance, which is where the A16 chip comes into play. Compared to its predecessor, which ran on the A14 Bionic, the new A16 Bionic chip delivers better efficiency, faster processing, and improved graphics performance. Whether you're browsing the web, running demanding apps, or switching between multiple tasks, the iPad A16 11th Gen remains buttery smooth. The 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU ensure apps run seamlessly, and gaming performance is noticeably better with improved frame rates and visual quality. Popular titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and Asphalt 9 run without lag, making this iPad a great option for casual gamers. Apple has also optimized power efficiency, ensuring you get longer battery life even when running performance-heavy applications. If you're into video editing or digital illustration, apps like LumaFusion and Procreate run significantly faster, with shorter rendering times and smoother Apple Pencil interactions. The A16 chip also includes an upgraded neural engine, which enhances machine learning tasks like photo editing, augmented reality applications, and real-time object recognition. While this iPad lacks Apple Intelligence AI features, it still delivers a snappy and responsive experience across all tasks. In short, whether you're working, gaming, or creating content, the iPad A16 provides reliable and efficient performance, making it an excellent all-around device. So, should you buy the 2025 iPad A16 11th Gen? If you're looking for a budget-friendly Apple tablet with solid performance, a great display, and modern features like USB-C and Wi-Fi 6, this is one of the best options available. It's ideal for students, casual users, and families who want an iPad that can handle everyday tasks like browsing, video streaming, and light creative work. However, if you need Apple Intelligence AI features, 120Hz promotion, or a more powerful processor, you might want to consider the iPad Air M3, or the upcoming iPad Pro M5. The improved storage options, faster processor, and better camera placement make the 11th generation iPad a noticeable upgrade over its predecessor, especially for those using older models. With a competitive price, strong performance, and Apple's signature ecosystem, this iPad is definitely a worthy investment for 2025. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Will you be upgrading to the new iPad, or are you waiting for something even better? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. This is Tech Vibe, bringing you the latest in technology. See you in the next video.